Okay, I bought an Intelligent Pulse repair charger online from China. Can't read most of that, but you can read the top part. Good charger. Let me show you what it is. That's the charger. It's got a really nice LED display. Tells you what the amps, the volts, the percentage of your battery. The indicators, automatic and manual mode. It's a really good charger. Heard a lot of good reviews on it. Hooked up to my battery here. Anyway, let me show you the downside to this charger. As soon as I plugged it in, I lost all my Wi-Fi. So let me go over to my Wi-Fi. My router in my shop has an orange light. Nothing. I got no Wi-Fi. As soon as I plug that charger in, everything in my shop stopped working. Except my heater up there. I got a diesel heater. If you want to see more on that, let me know. But I got a diesel heater that runs heat in my shop. Let me show you something else. I got a security camera. I'm outside my shop. See all those screens that say black? Yeah. All those stopped working. I don't know if you can see it, but really fuzzy pictures on all the other ones. Yeah, it's getting ready to go black. So, charger works great. If you plan on using Wi-Fi, yeah, there's no Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is over here. Wi-Fi does not work. There, camera turned off. Now let me go unplug the charger and tell you what happens. Charger's on, charging the battery. 35%, 7 amps. I unplugged it. Now it's at 100%, 12.3 amps, or 3 volts, sorry. Go over to my cameras. Oh look, all the rest of my cameras are working. I don't have one on the 8th, so anyway. Alright, Wi-Fi. Is the Wi-Fi coming back? Let's find out. Wi-Fi still shows nothing. Oh, wait. They got green lights now. All right. Wi-Fi's coming back. So, this Chinese Pulse repair charger apparently sends out a signal that interrupts your Wi-Fi and interrupts any of your cameras that you might have in your area. And oh yeah, look, I got Wi-Fi back again. I can watch my videos again. Anyway, great charger, but it screws up a lot of other things. So, if you find this helpful, like it, and if you want to hear more about my diesel heater up here, got the controller over here. If you want to see any more on that, Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching.